Need to scan a document, but you don't own a scanner? If you have an iPhone, you're in luck. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to scan documents into PDFs on your iPhone. Now let's get started. To do this, we'll be using two apps that come pre-installed on iOS, Notes and Files. If you don't currently have these apps on your device, you can re-download them for free from the App Store. To scan a document on iOS, first open the Notes app. Then open an existing note or create a new one. Tap the paperclip icon in the menu at the bottom. Then select Scan Documents. Place your document on a flat surface and hold your iPhone such that the document is centered in the camera window. Hold your device as steadily as possible. When placed properly, your device will automatically scan the document page. If your document has multiple pages, continue scanning pages in the order you want them to appear until you finish scanning the entire document. When you're finished scanning, tap Save in the bottom right corner. Your document will then be saved to your note as a PDF. If you like, you can edit the name of your document. If you want to save this PDF to use outside of your Notes app, tap the Share icon. Then select Save to Files. Choose which folder you want to save this document to. When you're done, tap Save to put this PDF into your Files app. Once you have the PDF in your files, you can keep it there for whenever you need it, or attach it to an email, send it in a text message, or any other use you may need it for. That's all it takes to scan documents using your iPhone. Looking to copy text from a document instead of scanning the whole thing? Watch this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.